Hey guys, here's that noise. I'm going to try catching it on video. That, I guess you could call it a groaning sound that I'm getting with the transmission and the throwout bearing. Let me see if I can catch it. Neutral. No noise. Bring the RPM up to about 1500. Hear that hiss? That's what it started as. And then I started getting this. Let me release the brakes. Right there. Of course, now it won't do it. Let's try again. You can hear it from inside, too. Right there. Now I have no idea what that noise is, but it's really starting to piss me off. It's not normal, and I just know something's going to fail. Alright guys, thanks.